Have you ever noticed how the price of mangoes drops in summer but shoots up in winter? Or why a concert ticket becomes super expensive when it's about to sell out? Behind all of this is the most powerful force in economics, the invisible hands of demand and supply. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, your home for simplified economics through whiteboard animation. This is the second episode in our Fundamentals and Core Concepts series. And today, we're talking about a topic so important, economists call it the heartbeat of markets: demand and supply. How they work, why they matter, and how they control everything from food prices to real estate. And don't forget, the full playlist is linked below in the description. Let's start with definitions. Keep it simple. Demand refers to how much of a good or service buyers are willing and able to purchase at different prices. Example, if the price of ice cream drops to 10, more people want it. If it rises to 100, only a few will buy. That's demand reacting to price. Supply is how much of a good or service producers are willing and able to offer at different prices. Example, if the price of oranges increases, farmers want to grow and sell more oranges. Lower price, less incentive to supply. Now let's bring them together. The demand and supply graph. Imagine two lines. One sloping down, that's the demand curve. One sloping up, that's the supply curve. Where they intersect, boom, that's called the equilibrium price. It's the perfect point where what buyers want equals what sellers offer. Real-world example, petrol prices. If global oil supply drops due to war or policy changes, like OPEC decisions, but demand stays the same, prices rise. Or if everyone's working from home and demand falls, prices drop too. The beauty of this model? It applies to everything: milk, houses, labor, even crypto coins. Elasticity, a quick peek. Let's say price increases. Does demand drop a little or a lot? If it changes a lot, it's elastic, like luxury items. If it changes a little, it's inelastic, like medicine or salt. We'll do a deep dive into this in a future video. Famous quote, "Prices are the messengers of the market," Milton Friedman. What he means is, when prices go up or down, they're signaling something, like scarcity, surplus, or shifting preferences. Learning to read these signals makes you smarter as a buyer, seller, or policymaker. Why should you care? Because understanding demand and supply helps you predict price trends, understand business decisions, crack economics exams, and even negotiate better as a consumer or entrepreneur. This is the foundation of micro and macro economics. What's coming next? In our next lesson, we'll explore something fascinating: opportunity cost and scarcity. Why you can't have it all, Mo. So subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and be the first to learn every week. And don't forget to check the full economics playlist linked in the description below. This is the Learning Studio, where we make economics visual, simple, and fun.